wondering what a clay mask looks like on damaged hair, this will look like. Okay, y'all, it's Jessie Gang, just for show in this. Oh, alright. As you can see, I'm in a new place. This is not my normal bedroom. This is a new bedroom. I moved. A lot has been going on. It's very hot, so like don't mind me. My face is oily, my body, like I am sweating and I can't even open the window because people outside is gonna think I'm talking to myself. So now I'm gonna do a clay mask on my face and on my hair. I did it like last year in August and it came out very nice. And since my hair is damaged, I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna just insert some clips with me doing it in August and we're gonna see if it looks like that again or not. And while I'm doing the clay mask, I'm gonna be speaking about the rice water because you guys had a lot of questions about it. I like responded to every comment. I wrote a lot in the description regarding it, but I still feel like it's not enough. So I'm gonna just go over some questions that y'all have and go over some stuff that I did. Keep in mind my hair is damaged and it wasn't braids and I cut it while it was in the braids, so. And I got y'all with the updated rice water video. I'll explain later like why I haven't made it.
That's what my hair looks like right now. Like right here is there's like it's
can't make an updated rice water video because you have to remember rice water is a lot of protein and I don't want to keep doing it because then I'm gonna like overload my hair with protein. It's already damaged as it is. I'm about to answer your questions right now, but first let me show you what I'm about to do. Yeah, just so you know, this clay mask is messy. Like I'm prepared this time because last time, bro, it's messy. I got my towel. I'm about to put my hair up. I'm ready. Like a little goes a long way because once you add the water, you'll be set. Alright, so I'm all about winging it, so I'm gonna just add some water. And as you can see, I didn't add a lot of water. Did like, you know, the eye melt that looks right. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm not no expert, so don't go by what I'm saying with this, right? Anyways, I'm gonna mix it. So yeah, this is definitely not enough for my hair. So I'm gonna make more along the way. So here goes my famous water bottle. Y'all see it in every hair video. I'm gonna use that, put some hot water in it. Just because I feel like my hair is very dry and like I don't know if I have low porosity or high porosity. But I feel like I have low porosity and I'm gonna need my hair cuticles to open up. So I'm about to put some hot water on top. For heads up, you're supposed to rinse out the clay mask with cold water so it doesn't harden. So maybe this isn't a good idea, but we winging it, right? So my hair is parted. To start in the back, go to the top. So let's start. Okay, so as for the rice water video, I want to let y'all know there is a description box. Like not to be a smarty pants or whatever, and I always put as much info needed as possible and like what you need to know about the video. There are some questions that like I can see where the confusion is. So I'm gonna clarify right now. One of the big questions was like, do you rinse it out? Do you wash it out? No, you keep it in your hair. If you're doing the 7-day challenge, you keep it in your hair for those 7 days. After the 7 days is when you go ahead and you wash your hair out, like, and then you're done with the rice water. If you're doing like a regular rice water, like usually people use rice waters, a rinse. Like, after you wash your hair, you could put it in as a rinse and then you rinse it out and that's all you gotta do. You can go on with your day. But what I was doing was I was doing a weekly routine. I just realized I cannot multitask. But anyways, I was applying the rice water every day. After I would apply it, I would not wash it out. I literally just applied it in my hair and then I did a protective hairstyle because while I was doing the rice water, school was going on. So I had it in my hair and yes, it does stink. It doesn't stink that much once you add. So yeah, I would put in the rice water in my hair and then I would style it by doing like space buns, low buns. You could do high puffs, you could do whatever, just as long as it's not like braids or something. Because well, no, you could do braids, but like little braids because you're literally gonna take it out the next day, so like save yourself some time. Yeah, I would not wash it out. I literally kept it in and I just kept reapplying the rice water every day. And when I applied the rice water, I applied it to my scalp and my hair, and I would literally section by section, like I was really making sure it was all up in my hair. I didn't skip like how I'm doing right now. Okay, I wouldn't do all of this. I probably section it bit. Like why do I have to dilute it? It's rice water. Like you gotta realize rice water, girl, bye. Rice water is a protein treatment. Protein treatments contain a lot of protein. It's rich in protein and your hair needs protein to grow and all that, right? But too much protein is really bad for your hair because it's like Like you're doing the most, okay? So too much protein is bad, and that's called protein overload when you have too much protein in your hair. So that's why I said dilute it with water or your hair's gonna fall out, because that's just facts. Okay, dilute it. In the video I explained how to dilute it. Like I would put like, I literally eyeball it. The amount of rice water that I put in the bottle is the amount of water I would add on to it. Or maybe less. Like I wouldn't put that exact, I would put less. But like just have a good amount of water, then shake it up and then apply it. That's what I mean by diluting. So yeah. Another good question that was asked was, why'd you put a hair cap on? And I didn't realize it, but like as a black person, it's always known, like we always put hair caps after everything, like after deep conditioning, after conditioning, put a hair cap. Like, I don't know how I used to do it, but like I realized why you do it. Putting in a hair cap, it traps in the heat. Like you produce body heat, right? And so when you put a hair cap on, all that body heat rises to your head. So the heat from your head is like being produced, and so like it kind of warms up your hair. Also traps in the moisture that you're applying to your hair. So yeah, you would put the hair cap and it traps it in. And people also put hair caps so they could blow dry the outside of the hair so that it could go in the hair more. But either way, it's gonna get in your hair, but it just helps to actually get in your hair strands. Do you put the rice water on top of like other hair products? Honestly don't know. I'm no science expert. Like I don't know what would happen if you do. I try to put less things in my hair as possible. So I didn't apply anything to my hair with the rice water because I always grew up with my mom saying, oh, if you put too much stuff in your hair, it's gonna fall out. So that's kind of how I think. So I try not to put too much stuff. If you really want it to seep in your hair, why would you even put like, that makes sense. Like I understand you want to look cute and stuff, but literally the rice water, like it makes your hair a new person. It softens it, makes it thick and stuff. It feels moisturized. This is what my hair's looking like right now. As for the questions, I think I pretty much covered all the main questions. I'm gonna go over what I have in the description box, but please read it. Like when I have videos, please read it, because sometimes I be forgetting to say what I do and I just put it on the description box so y'all don't be confused with it. So in the description box, I already spoke about diluting it. Like make sure you dilute the rice waters, especially because you're doing it for 7 days. Like you're adding protein for your hair and you're keeping it in your hair for 7 days. Like that sounds dangerous as it is. Like rice water is low-key risky. Like people always like, you know, say good stuff about it, but like honestly it's also kind of like bad in a way, but everything you put in your hair is bad. So amen. When I wash it out, I usually have like some remainder like of rice water left. I don't want to waste it, and you can't preserve it for long. Like you could only preserve rice water for like a week and it's good, and you should like throw it out. Before I wash my hair, I just poured it all over my head and I like rubbed it in, kept it in for a little, and then I washed my hair. That's what I do with the remainder, because we don't waste stuff out here. No. Like every cent counts, feel me? Oh, so let me explain how I made the rice water, because I did not explain that clearly. I didn't think the video would go crazy like that. It boomed. The video boomed. So you have the rice. You get the rice. Ooh, I cannot multitask. Put that rice in like a cup. Like you know, measure it, because you don't want to OD with the rice, because you throw that rice away in the end. So keep in mind that you're gonna be wasting rice. Put enough. Like I try to put a cup, so maybe a little bit over a cup. Whatever like covers the whole pot is what I put. And then you put some water in it, you clean the rice. After that layer of dirt is out, you drain it out, and then you apply the new water. And this water, it doesn't want to be too much either. In the video, just look at how much I put in there. I think I put like a cup, and also on top of that, I don't put just any water. I don't put no sink water. I put boiled water because I want my water clean. It's going in my hair. Not saying that sink water is like filthy or anything, but like I just took that extra step because I'm extra. Looking back, show you how it's looking. That's literally only the first day. So you have it in that pot, you let it sit in that pot, you cover the pot, you let it sit for a day. That's just day 1. Now day 2, you drain the rice water into a water bottle, or like whatever you want to put it in, a container, whatever. You put it in that water bottle, you throw away the rice. The rice is not important right now, right? What's important is the rice water. So you put it in the bottle, and you let that bottle sit in the cabinet for another day. Right after those 2 days, put that rice water straight into the fridge to start the fermentation process. Because if you continue that process, like the rice water is going to be too strong, it's going to rot, like no. It's 2 days, put it in the fridge. After every use, put it in the fridge, okay? Putting it in the fridge stops the process. Bro, y'all see that? Look at how damaged it is. Like it was way worse before like I cut it, but man, I put the rice water in my scalp and in my hair, and anytime I had free time when I wasn't doing something, I was just sitting at the table or just in school, I would literally go in my head and like massage it. Scalp massages promote hair growth because it's like activating your cells, and the cells is what your hair comes out of. It's all this science or whatever. I just summed it up. I think that's also why I saw a lot of growth. The main reasons why, like, okay, yeah, the rice water works. The rice water grows your hair. But there's more to it. I think I saw a lot of growth because 1, I did the rice water. 2, I did scalp massage. 3 was after the rice water. I think I let like 2 days pass by, and then I put my hair in braids for 2 weeks. The picture you see with me on the blue shirt and that hair growth was after the 2 weeks of having those braids in. So that's also another thing. You see the growth kick in more like a month after. It's not even like, yeah, I saw a little bit of growth like during the process, but you see the extreme growth after, like a month after. So put your hair in a protective style right after the rice water and tell me what you see. Do the scalp massages, do the rice water, protective style, that fill me in. On top of that, I know the video said 7 days. Whatever the video said, I said that I did it for 7 days. I didn't do it for 7 days, but like I applied the water to my hair for 7 days, but it wasn't only a week that I had it going on. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like I skipped some days because I was busy and I didn't have time to apply the rice water. I put the dates in the video for that purpose, so you can see like what happened when. It was kind of, I mean, like I still saw some progress within those days. So I mean, hey man, I guess like it was good for my hair because my hair probably needs some break. Like I don't know, but yeah, I skipped some days. Sorry. Rice water is not for everyone. It's not meant for everyone's hair. So if you're thinking about doing it, do it once to see how like your hair reacts. Do it a couple of times. Like don't go straight to doing the rice water challenge like I did. Okay, I'm like a little rebel. No, actually before that video I did. Okay, so like it's taking me too long to like talk and like do this, so I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna get a little farther because you can't keep the clay mask too long in your hair. Like it's 20 at most, and it's already been like who knows. So I'm gonna just like I'm gonna get a little farther and then I'm gonna talk some more. One more thing before I leave, like don't ever hesitate to comment. Like I reply to every comment. It might not be automatic, but I do reply to every comment. Don't hesitate to DM me. Look, I'm not Hollywood. Like I'm here to help, okay? I'm here to make friends to be part of the Just for Show gang. And if you're subscribing because of the rice water video, you better tap that bell because you can subscribe and still not know when I post. I'm gonna be posting a lot of hair videos. I'm posting like other content. Like, so if you want to know when I post, y'all should hit that bell. Feel me? Like, alright, you're gonna see something new when I come back. Look at how damaged my hair is, bro. Like this is not even curling up. What's that? That is just. This is taking longer than like even last time because my hair is thicker now. This is when it gets a little crazy. What it looks like the farther up top I get to is how damaged it. Look, it's like done. Look at it, the difference between the back and the front. Like, come on now. It's terrible. So if you're ever wondering what a clay mask looks like on damaged hair, this one look like. Oh, that's nice. That's just beautiful. Benefits of rice water. Basically said it all. Like, you know, it gets your hair soft, promotes hair growth, it gets your hair thicker. There's a couple other stuff that I don't remember right now, and I don't want to tell you false information, so you can search that up yourself. But let me tell you, the benefits of a clay mask is basically it detox and like cleanses your hair. Like it does a deep cleanse, as well as it like brings back your old curls or whatever. It's like a fresh start. That's just some of it. That's like what everyone's doing. I think hair growth too. It's good to add. It's good to add apple cider vinegar to it when you're doing it for your face, and I think your hair too. But I don't have that right now. You know, Corona. Stay in the house. If you don't need something like it's not important, stay less in the house. You understand what I'm saying? So this is basically how I'm doing it. I'm gonna spray in the root. Can't really see, but I spray in the root. Spray in my hair. I literally do this with everything. Like every video you've seen, that's literally how I always apply anything to my hair. So I put it in the root. the rest of my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna catch y'all when this is all done because it's taking too long. It's starting to get hard and I don't want my hair to fall out. What I did off camera is I really scooped, like whenever I was scooped it, add more to my hair, spray my roots, add more to the roots. My scalp is done, my scalp is hot, which is good. That's how I want it. That's how I know it's getting in there. Well, like I don't know how you're supposed to like not have it in your hair for that long because it took me like an hour as it is just to apply it all over. So now I gotta hurry up and rinse this out. But before that, I'm gonna do my face mask. This is it in the ring light. I usually do this with a brush, but just now I wash the bowl and I mix everything with my hand because I want to use that spoon again. When it gets stuck on your hair, this clips like don't even. Yeah, I can't see, so I'm gonna grab this phone. Indian clay mask is good for everything. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. Well, your face is your skin. If you know what I mean. Yeah, so yeah. We're done. It's done. It was nice speaking to y'all. Okay, y'all, it's getting serious. It's getting hard. It hurt. I'm starting to feel the feeling again, and yeah, it's time to take this out. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. Okay, bye guys. Alright, so we're done. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. You better subscribe. If you like my stuff, I'm telling you there's more to come. My personality even showing this video because I was just talking, but like it gets wild, okay? It's gonna be lit. Oh my god, this is not closed right. Just curve. What you do? But yeah, watch my other videos. I have playlists of my hair videos and I have playlists of other stuff. Just, you know, it's quarantine. Like you have nothing to do. So watch. 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 Ooh, the wig. Oh, other hair.
Oh, je me suis là, je sais. Oh, non, pas mettre dans oh, je sais. Pas mettre fit, oh, j'aime bien là, pas mettre dans bas, retirer, il pas fait ça.
I shouldn't want to be on camera. Oh my god. It is getting hard. Watching the thumbnail, like you're probably like, why is she in the side? Bitch, let me live. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. I can feel it. I feel like I'm applying makeup. Looks pretty cool in the lighting. So I already wasted like an hour or two just breathing.